This is a 2009 Land Cruiser VXR. Customer complained the check sonar, that is the parking sensors, there is this switch over here. When you turn off the switch, it's okay, but it should be on so that you can know like how close you are to an obstacle. So the switch should always be on, so that is the parking assist is activated, of which you should be using. That's why it's there, so that you can know when you are near an obstacle, so that you cannot hit anything. Right now it's saying check sonar. That means the parking sensor right now, they're not working. So we carried out a diagnosis. We have these errors on the car: the front sensor communication circuit and the rear sensor communication circuit. In short, all the sensors have error, that is the front and the back. Because you have the front, there are around 2 sensors on the front and 4 sensors in the rear. So this indicates all the sensors have a fault, that is, they're not working. So the customer, another interesting thing, the customer told us they only did a floor work on this car. You can see there is some floor work done on the car, and that's when the error came. Before, the error was not there. So, but you cannot roll out on anything. Checked out all the sensors. Let's try and erase the codes. Turn ignition on, and then on. Let's try to erase the fault and see if it will go. Yes. Oh, our codes are permanent. When I see that, one thing comes to mind. I'm sure we're having a wiring problem somewhere in our circuit. Maybe the wiring to the sensor is cut, of which I don't think so. Because before, I won't show you on this video, but I already checked all the sensors. The sensors are intact. I'll show you the sensors in a minute. This is the front sensor. Front sensor is intact, clean. I checked on the back side, the sensor is okay. This is the other sensor also. The sensor is clean. Like, no big problem on the sensor. Check the rear, all the rear sensors fine. I already checked the wiring on the back side. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's observe the live data. Okay. You can see all the sensor circuit is saying open. Left front sensor open, right front sensor open. I'm having a feeling like you might be having a loose connection at the main pin, main socket to the control unit for the clearance sonar. That is the control unit for the parking sensor. I think we might be having a short circuit or an open circuit there. So I've worked on same model car before, so I know where exactly the control is located. It's in this left-hand side. This is a left-hand drive, so it's usually on the passenger side at the footrest. That is, I'll show you in a minute. Removing this is pretty simple. Yeah. Just have 2 sockets on the side, 2 clips on the side, and you're good to go. Just unclip 2 pins on the side. Yeah, the rest is suspense, and you're good to go.
Should be somewhere here. Oh. I don't know if you see that. I think you already have a problem. You can see these two wires are already cut. This is our problem. I need to think too much. You already have a problem, so the only thing is to figure out where these wires came from, and we are good to go. All right.